Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking at Pam's Place. Oh my goodness, we are getting ready to make the old school style church potluck chicken. You know, when you got out of church, all the ladies, the deacons and the ushers would be upstairs and downstairs preparing all this food for the potluck the church was having that afternoon. Big old trays of chicken, mac and cheese, green beans. Oh my goodness, corn, dump cakes, peach cobbler, cakes, pound cakes. It would be everything down there. It'd be 10 to 15 of them, they all down there with their little cute little fancy aprons on just like this. Oh my goodness. But before we get started, welcome to the channel. If you are new, take a second and subscribe to the channel. Turn on that notification bell so you won't miss anything. If you are a returning subscriber or a member of the channel, thank you so much for coming back and hanging out with me today in my kitchen. I really do appreciate your loyal, faithful support. Come with me. I'll show you what to do. Make sure you stir your milk really well to combine the seasonings. And as well, go ahead and make sure you whisk your flour or combine your flour with the seasonings as well. So it's time for us to head over to the stove. I'll meet you there. While your skillet is heating up, go ahead and put about a cup of water in a small saucepan with a good chunk of onion, carrot, and a couple of pieces of celery. You want to just bring this up to a boil and just let it cook. All you're trying to do is get the seasonings from the onion, the carrot, and the celery. You're going to need that broth. Okay, so our skillet is just about hot. Go ahead and drop about a tablespoon of butter into your water that you're going to be using when we go into the oven. That's just going to make it nice and rich. So our skillet is just about heated up. We are not cooking this fully at all. We are just frying it for it to be nice and golden brown. That's it. That's all we want. That's all we want. So go ahead, get in there with your hands. Use some gloves if you feel you need to. Dredge it in your flour mixture, or your seasoned flour, I should say. And then into your hot skillet. I have my skillet on about medium-high heat. We just want it to be golden brown. Make sure you put your chicken in there skin side down if you have skin on it. So while our chicken is finishing up over there, remember you are not cooking that chicken through. You are just browning it to a nice golden brown. Go ahead, grab some foil. I'm grabbing some foil. You don't want to use foil? You don't have to. Put the foil down into your dish. For me, it helps for easy cleanup. And I like my foil. Put it down in there so you can be prepared to put your chicken in there. Then you're going to need another piece of foil to cover it loosely with. So our chicken should just be done. Let me grab it. Okay, this looks amazing. Look at that. See? Nice and golden brown is what you want. Okay, so all we're going to do is take some of our broth, maybe about a half a cup, depending on how much chicken you have, and just put it in the bottom of your, right in the bottom of your pan for the oven. That should do it. Let me grab some tongs. Okay, now we're going to sit our chicken in here, right into the dish. Just place your chicken in there. Oh, it's piping hot, so be careful. Be careful. Ooh, okay. So we have our chicken in here. And from here, we're just going to cover it up with some foil. So cover it loosely with a piece of foil. And we're going to bake it until it reaches an internal temperature of 165. So it's going to depend on how much chicken you have, but for the whole chicken, it's about an hour. Just loosely, see? Not tight at all. Okay, we're gonna get this in the oven. We are out of the oven. Oh my goodness, it smells amazingly delicious. Thank you all so much for coming and hanging out with me today in my kitchen. Please remember to subscribe to the channel and turn on that notification bell and make sure it's set to all. Ooh, this smells delicious. You know we gotta have us a little taste test. So I don't want you all to see this up close. Oh my goodness. Ooh, looking good, looking good. And the thing about it is the skin is still pretty crispy. Let's see if I can get you guys in close to take a look at this. I just want you all to hear this. See this? See how crispy that is? This is just as crispy. Look at that. Look at that. Look how crispy that is. Oh my goodness. Now you can take the broth that's in here and make you a wonderful gravy from that if you want to. Oh my goodness. I am not making a gravy today because I don't want all the gravy and stuff, but I just want you all to see how nice and juicy that is. Oh my goodness. Can you tell that's juicy? Look at that. Let me see if I can come closer. I had to take that little piece off. Look at that. Can you see how juicy that is, guys? Look at the juice running out. Oh, delicious, delicious. Thank you all once again for coming and hanging out with me, and I will see you all next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise. Delicious.